Hi guys, in this video I will present custom designed 3D printed grip for Panasonic GX80 and 85. To explain how this grip came to be, first let's take a look at alternatives. Together with the GX9, Panasonic introduced a grip which also fits older GX80-85 model. This grip doesn't look to me as ergonomic as I want it to and has a design flaw. You see, there is no opening for the battery and memory card, so each time you want to access them, first you need to remove the grip. Someone in Panasonic obviously had a bad hangover that morning when he or she designed this grip. He was probably drinking with a colleague from marketing department because the person who placed a €65 price tag on a piece of plastic is not thinking straight. Second alternative is JB Design wood grip. JB Design is an American company that makes beautiful hand-carved wood grips for many camera brands, not just Panasonic. This one has a battery compartment opening and really looks like a premium product. Sadly, the price is also premium, €125 plus €15 shipping. Thank you, but no thank you. Luckily, there is a guy named Isaac who, instead of complaining for the lack of choices, decided he will design and make his own grip using a 3D printer. So here it is. I have been using it for 2 or 3 weeks now and I can say it transformed this camera. Size and design are just right for my average sized hand. There is enough space for all of my 3 fingers on the grip, and the way this upper part design is perfect. Weight of the camera rests on my middle finger, so my hand is very relaxed when holding it. There is just enough space between the grip and the camera at the top, so I can easily reach and rotate front dial. If I shoot from waist level using LCD, grip can easily fit 4 of my fingers while the thumb reaches shutter and video record button. There is an opening at the bottom for battery and memory card compartment. Beside printing it, just 2 more elements are needed to assemble the grip. First, a screw that will hold it together with the camera. I reused one from an old tripod plate I had around. Second, a nut that will be used to attach camera with the grip to a tripod. Chances are high you will have one of those already in your toolbox, as I did. If you don't have any of those, you can order them on eBay for a very small amount, or find them in almost any brick and mortar store that sells tools. Right now you can't buy the finished grip, they are all sold out, but you can get designs and print the grip yourself. They cost only $3, which is nothing, and I think Isaac deserves a small fee for making this lovely grip. As for printing, I don't have the printer, but instead reached out in my local photographic community and found a guy who was willing to print the grip for the price of material and time. Altogether it cost me just around €15 to make this thing. Compare that to original Panasonic grip at 65 and JB Design at €125, and there's nothing further to discuss. It might not be the most beautiful piece of gear, but it is definitely the most functional one. Since I got it, I haven't removed it from the camera at all. All the detailed info can be found on Isaac's website, the link is in the description below this video. With 3D files you also get detailed instructions for printing and links to eBay for the screw and nut in case you want to be sure you will get the ones that fit just right. So that's pretty much everything for this video. If you have a question, comment section is open as always. Thanks for watching.